Right, so I just wanted to show you something I've seen in a book recently. Just want to say first though, at the end of this video is a little teaser for Marcus Brackley. But this thing I'd seen it's a figure 4 deadfall trigger, but it's unlike any figure 4 deadfall trigger I've ever seen. And it's in the book Survival Poaching by Ragnar Benson. I was having a look through it and I noticed this figure 4 and I thought, well, that's the weirdest one I've ever seen. So this is basically the parts for it. It probably would be better if the wood was slightly squarer, if you know what I mean, whereas this is kind of rectangle shape, but in the picture it looked more square wood, and I'll show you that picture now. So I don't know about you, but I thought that's quite an unusual figure 4. So the upright stick just has a point on the end. Your slanting stick is flattened at the top and got this kind of cut in it, and that's it. And the main one that seems to do all the work is the trigger stick, and that just sits, both of these notches just sit there and there. So like I said, I've never seen a figure 4 like this. I've seen quite a few different variations, especially in old books. You see loads of really weird old ones, lots of different ones, but this is kind of a modernish one I've never seen before. So we'll set it up and kind of see how it goes off. Right, I'll show you how to set it so we can see how easy or hard it is. One of those traps, what it seems it needs a lot of weight on top to hold this one on, which is probably a good thing, because normally when these are done with a lot of weight on, a figure 4 sometimes doesn't want to come apart. So then what you would do is you're supposed to wire on your bait on there, and then when the animal touches that, it should go off. That seems pretty decent, but like I said, it seems to need a fair bit of weight up the, on top of it to stop this one falling out. I suppose you could shave some off of here to lighten it up a bit. But not too bad to set. The only thing I would say is these 2 notches on this one do them pretty deep. Because it really needs to seem to get a grip on it. Right, anyway, thought I'd show you that. So that's the figure 4 trap from Ragnar Benson's book, Survival Poaching. Some of them in there, and then the rest are here. And there's loads more in that cupboard.